Morning all of you, this is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. In my last lecture, I have described what is ethics and how it works in our life and how it affects our life. Now in the present lecture, I will describe what is teaching ethics and what is profession and what is professionalism. So let us go for it. Teacher ethics and accountability are fundamental components of quality education and professionalism. Integrity in teacher education. Ethics in teaching encompasses a range of principles including fairness, respect, and honesty, which guide educators in their interactions with students, colleagues, and the broader community. Upholding high ethical standards ensure that teachers act with integrity, foster a positive learning environment, and provide equitable opportunities for all the students. Accountability in teacher education refers to the responsibility of educators to adhere to professional standards, engage in continuous self assessment, and remain answerable for their teaching practices and students' outcome. This includes transparency in evaluation methods, regular feedback, and adherence to institutional and regulatory guidelines. Together, ethics and accountability contribute to the credibility and the effectiveness of the teaching profession, enhancing trust between educators and stakeholders, and ultimately supporting students' success and well being. Emphasizing these principles in teacher education help prepare educators to navigate the complexities of modern classroom with professionalism and dedication. Teacher ethics and accountability are vital elements in fostering quality education and ensuring professional integrity in the field of teacher education. Ethics in teaching involves a set of guiding principles such as fairness, respect, and honesty, which shape the way of educators interact with their students, colleagues, and the wider community. These ethical standards are essential in creating an environment where teachers act with integrity, cultivating a positive and inclusive learning atmosphere that benefits all the students. By upholding these ethical values, teachers contribute to a classroom environment where every student is treated with respect and given equal opportunities to succeed, regardless of their background or abilities. Accountability in teacher education refers to the responsibility of educators to meet and maintain professional standards, consistently reflecting on their practices and being answerable for their teaching methods and the outcome of their students. This responsibility extends to using transparent evaluation methods, welcoming regular feedback, and strictly adhering to institutional and regulatory guidelines that govern the profession. Accountability ensures that teachers remain committed to their professional development, continuously improving their skills and methodologies to better serve their students. It also reinforces the trust placed in them by parents, students, and the community at large, as it demonstrates their commitment to maintain high standard of education. When combined, ethics and accountability enhance the credibility and the effectiveness of teaching profession. They build and sustain trust between educators and their various stakeholders, including students, parents, and educational institutions. This trust is crucial for student success as it creates a supportive environment where students feel valued and are more likely to engage and thrive. By emphasizing these principles in teacher education, future educators are better prepared to navigate the challenges of modern classroom with professionalism, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility toward their student well-being and academic success. These principles ultimately contribute to the overarching goal of quality education where the integrity of the teaching profession is maintained and continually making strong. Now I'm coming my next point, and this is very important. You have to understand what is profession and what is professionalism. So first of all, we will understand what are they, and then we will do differentiation. A profession is a specialized career requiring formal education, training, and expertise. It involves a set of ethical standards and the codes of conduct, autonomy in decision making, and a commitment to serve the public or the specific clients. Professionals are expected to continuously develop their skills and knowledge to stay current in their field. Examples like medicine, law, engineering, as well as teaching. Professionalism refers to the conduct, behavior, and the qualities expected of the individuals in a professional role. It involves adhering to ethical standards, demonstrating expertise, maintaining integrity, and showing respect and responsibility in interaction. Professionalism includes a commitment to continuous learning, competence, and accountability, ensuring that individuals meet the expectations and standards of their profession while contributing positively to their field and the society. Teaching as a profession involves guiding and facilitating students' learning through structured educational activities. It requires specialized knowledge in subject area as well as pedagogical skills to effectively communicate and engage with them. Teachers are responsible for creating a positive and inclusive learning environment, designing and implementing lesson plan, assessing students' progress, and adapting teaching methods to meet diverse needs. As a profession, teaching demand formal qualifications, often including a degree in education and certification or license. Teachers adhere to ethical standards such as fairness, respect, and integrity. They are committed to foster students' development and academic achievement. The profession also emphasizes continuous professional development to keep up with education advancement and pedagogical strategies. Teaching involves significant dedication and passion as the educators play a crucial role in shaping students' academic and personal growth and contributing to the broader education system as well as the society. Professionalism in teacher education involves adhering to high standard of conduct, ethics, and performance throughout the process of becoming and practicing as a teacher. It encompasses a commitment to continuous learning and professional development to ensure that educators remain knowledgeable and effective in their teaching methods. Professionalism in this context include demonstrating respect, integrity, and fairness in interaction with the students, colleagues, as well as a community. Teachers, educators are expected to model exemplary behavior, maintain a positive and inclusive learning environment, and adhere to ethical guidelines. They must also stay current with educational research and advancement, integrate innovative teaching practices, and use data-driven approaches to improve students' outcome. Professionalism in teacher education requires accountability, reflective practice, and the ability to adapt to diverse education needs as well as the challenges, ensuring that teachers are well prepared to foster students' learning and development. A profession is distinguished by its requirement for specialized education, training, and a set of skills and knowledge that are critical to the performance of its practitioners. Like general conception, general occupations, professions are characterized by a deep commitment to certain ethical standards, codes of conduct, and a sense of responsibility to serve the public or a specific clients. This level of dedication to ethical principle and the well-being of others elevate a profession beyond a mere job. It is a calling that demands both intellectual and moral vigor. Professionals in fields such as medicine, law, engineering, and teaching are expected to demonstrate a high level of expertise and autonomy in decision making, of working in complex and unpredictable environments where these judgments can have significant consequences. For instance, a medical doctor must diagnose and treat the patient while adhering to ethical standards that prioritize patient welfare. A lawyer must advocate for clients while upholding the integrity of legal system. Similarly, an engineer must design or build a structure that are not only functional but also safe, ethical, and sustainable. Teaching as a profession requires educators to not only impart knowledge but also to inspire and guide students, shaping their development both academically and personally. This aspect of teaching as a profession underscores the significance of ethical standard and the commitment to the holistic development of them. Professionalism, on the other hand, refers to the conduct or behavior or the qualities that are expected from the individuals who are the part of profession. It is a concept that encompasses a range of attributes including ethical behavior, competence, integrity, respect, and responsibility. Professionalism is about more than just following rules. It is about embodying the rules, the values, the standard of one's profession in every aspect of one's work. This includes continuous self-improvement, accountability, and a dedication to the welfare of clients, patients, or in the case of teaching, of course, the students. Professionalism is evident in how professionals interact with others, how they handle the challenges, and how they maintain their commitment to excellence even in the difficult situation. Example is here, a professional teacher does not merely deliver content, they engage students in meaningful ways, respect their individual needs, and create an inclusive and supportive learning environment. They also continually seek to improve their teaching methods and stay updated with the latest education research and best practices. If I say what is a teaching profession, so teaching as a profession involves a combination of specialized knowledge, skills, and a deep commitment to the ethical responsibilities of educating and guiding them. Teachers are responsible for more than just delivering content. They must facilitate learning, foster critical thinking, and support the holistic development of them. This requires a deep understanding of the subject matter as well as a pedagogical expertise that allow them to communicate effectively, engage them, and adapt to their diverse needs. If I want to add something, so in addition to subject knowledge, teachers must possess a range of pedagogical skills that enable them to design and implement effective lesson plans, assess their progress, and create a positive and inclusive learning environment. This involves not only the ability to present information clearly but also the capacity to inspire and motivate them, encourage critical thinking, and support students' emotional and social development. Teachers also be adept at classroom management using strategies to maintain a conducive learning environment while addressing the diverse needs of their students. And with other professions, teaching requires more formal qualification, including a degree or in education, or often certification or license. These qualifications always ensure that they have the necessary knowledge or skills to meet the demand of the profession. However, the responsibility of the teaching go beyond the initial qualification. They are expected to be good in every field, even in the continuous professional development to stay current with the latest research, advancement in the pedagogy, and the changes in the curriculum. This commitment to lifelong learning is essential in this profession, where the knowledge and the skills required are constantly evolving. Ethical standards are a cornerstone for the teaching profession. They are expected to act with fairness, respect, and integrity in their interaction when they are doing interaction with the students, with the colleagues, and the other community. This includes treating all the students equitably, respecting their rights and dignity, and fostering a positive and inclusive learning environment. Teachers must also be honest and transparent in their communication as well as in their tasks. The profession of teaching is not only about imparting knowledge, it is also the shaping of the future of society. By nurturing the next generation of thinkers, leaders, and citizens, this requires a level of dedication and patience that goes beyond the classroom. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping students' academic and personal growth, and their influence extends go before the immediate education outcomes. They contribute to the broader educational system and the society by preparing students to be informed, responsible, and engaged members of the society. Professionalism in teacher education is critical to ensure that future educators are well prepared to meet the demand of the teaching profession. It involves adhering to high standard of conduct, character, ethics, and performance throughout the process of becoming and practicing as a teacher. This means the teacher educator who also responsible for preparing the next generation of them must themselves model the highest standard of professionalism. If I say what they expected, so they are expected to demonstrate the respect, integrity, and fairness in the interaction as well as in their task. They also create and they must create a positive environment which support the development for the future teachers. Professionalism in teacher education is also involves stay current with the latest research and the advancement in education. They must be knowledgeable about the pedagogy, curriculum designing, and the technology. They must integrate innovative practices in own instruction and use data-driven approaches to improve their outcomes. The commitment to continuous improvement ensures that they are preparing future teachers which are equipped to meet the challenges of modern classroom. Accountability is another key aspect of professionalism in teacher education. They must be accountable for their own performance as well as the performance of their students. This means they are engaging in reflective practices, assessing the effectiveness of their teaching methods, and making adjustments as needed to improve their learning. It also involves being responsible to the diverse needs and the adapting instruction to ensure that all the students have the opportunity to succeed. Reflective practice is an essential component A professionalism in teacher education. It involves critically examining one's own teaching practices, identifying areas for improvement, and making changes to enhance the effectiveness of instruction. Reflective practice also include seeking feedback from students, colleagues, and other stakeholders, and using that feedback to inform instructional decisions. This ongoing process of reflection and improvement is critical to maintain high standard of professionalism and ensuring that teacher education is providing the best possible education to future teachers. Professionalism in teacher education also requires a commitment to ethical standard. They must model ethical behavior in their own practice and instill a strong sense of ethics in their students. This includes promoting fairness, respect, integrity in all the aspects of teaching and learning. Teacher educators must also be committed to social justice and equity, ensuring that all the students must have access to the high quality education and are treated with dignity and respect. In addition to model ethical behavior, teacher educators must also teach their students about the ethical responsibility of teacher profession. This includes discussing the ethical dilemmas and that teachers may face in their practice and providing strategies for making ethical decisions. Teacher educators must also emphasize the importance of ethical conduct in maintaining the trust and confidence of the students, parents, and the other community. Professionalism in teacher education also involves a commitment to foster collaboration and teamwork. They must work closely with their colleagues, students, and other stakeholders to create a supportive and collaborative learning environment. And this includes sharing the best practices, engaging in collaborative research, and participating in professional learning communities. Collaboration is essential to the continuous improvement of teaching and learning, and it is a key component of professionalism in teacher education. Finally, professionalism in teacher education requires a commitment to continuous professional development. They must be lifelong learners who are committed to stay current with the latest research, development, and the best practices in education. This includes participating in professional development opportunities, attending conferences, and engaging in scholarly research. Continuous professional development ensures that teacher educators remain knowledgeable and effective in their teaching methods, and it contributes to the overall improvement of the teaching profession. If I must conclude this idea, so I will say in the conclusion, the concept of profession, professionalism, and the teaching as a profession are deeply interconnected. Profession must require specialized knowledge, skill, and a commitment to ethical standard and public service. And professionalism involves the conduct, behavior, and qualities expected of individuals in a professional role, including a commitment to continuous learning, competence, and accountability. Teaching as a profession involves guiding and facilitating students' learning, requiring specialized knowledge, pedagogical skills, and a commitment to ethical standard and continuous professional development. Professionalism in teacher education is critical to ensure that future educators are well prepared to meet the demand of the teaching profession, as it involves adherence to high standard of conduct, ethics, and performance, as well as a commitment to continuous improvement and collaboration. By emphasizing professionalism in teacher education, we can ensure that teachers are well prepared to navigate the complexities of modern classroom. With professionalism, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility, towards their students' well-being and academic success. This, in turn, contributes to the overarching goal of quality education, where the integrity of the teaching profession is maintained and continually making strong. So, in my next lecture, I will discuss about it more. Thank you. Thank you so much.